Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this. Then I made this that's really pretty trying to zoom in. Pretty interesting. Really easy. And I just saw I made a kind of a mistake right there, but see how it's interlocked. So I've got my original. I've got it ungrouped so I can get just back to that one. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to control D, alternate C, but this time I'm going to only rotate it 10 degrees. Now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go to something I very seldom ever use. I'm going to go to Effects and I'm going to go to Transform and I'm going to go Invert Colors. And I get that. And I could play with that. Now, I'm going to take my yellow. Well, here's kind of a lesson. You have to take this. If you look, it's an envelope. So we got to go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. And if you're using RGB, it will not change the colors. Go to object, or excuse me, go to bitmap, convert to bitmap. Now, I'm going to take a rectangle. I do this all the time. And I always say I want the 4 white areas, 1, 2.